The Albanian Air Force has taken delivery of 2 of 3 UH-60A Black Hawk helicopters at Tirana, Rinas International Airport. The Albanian Ministry of Defense uploaded a video on its YouTube channel on January 13 about the arrival of the military helicopters. This Balkan country announced it would receive 3 U.S. Army surplus Black Hawk helicopters in April 2019. The contract was officially signed in May 2020. The medium-sized helicopter is part of a U.S. support package for Albania, which joined NATO in 2009, Shepherd News wrote. The outdated weapons on the helicopter have been replaced with new materials that comply with the Defense Alliance's standards. For an undisclosed fee, the U.S. Army will train Albanian pilots and maintain the helicopters. The delivery date for the third and final Black Hawk has not been officially announced. Albanian Defense Minister Niko Paleshi said the arrival of the Black Hawk helicopters was a sign of his country's investment in security. A major investment and important step that will give us the strength and commitment necessary to fulfill tactical missions and contingency operations more efficiently and safely, Paleshi said.